secretaries and administrative assistants. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Secretaries and administrative assistants perform routine clerical and administrative duties. Work environment. Secretaries and administrative assistants operate in almost every sector, but many work in schools, hospitals, and governmental, legal, and medical departments. Most work full-time. How to become one. Usually high school graduates with software applications are eligible for entry-level positions. While most secretaries learn their work within weeks, several legal and medical secretaries require further training in order to learn industry-specific terminology. Executive secretaries usually need several years of related work experience. Salary. The median annual wage for secretaries and administrative assistants is $39,850. Job outlook. Over the next 10 years, the number of secretaries and administrative staff is expected to decline by 9%. Most job openings will result from the need to replace workers who leave the occupation. Other requirements. Computer and communication skills on the job training often required. Thanks for watching. To get the latest videos related to career and education, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.